Hello, I would like to show you today Medoc's search program that will allow the participant to adjust the temperature during the test using the patient response unit. This is interesting because this way the participant can adjust their level of pain and use that as the pain marker. Let's just go to the search demo. I'm just going into it so you can see how the program is built. So let's say that we use the search device. We can use either the response unit, in which we use the yes and the no button, but you can also use the COVAS if you own one. We can use a normal baseline of 32 degrees. And this time I decided to go for the destination temperature of 45 degrees. The destination rate will be the rate from which the temperature will take off from the baseline of 32 degrees to the destination temperature of 45 degrees. And the search rate, and this is interesting, is the rate that the temperature will have if the participant uses the yes or the no button continuously. So if they press the yes button continuously, the temperature will rise with 1.5 degrees per second. If they press just one small press on the yes button, for instance, the temperature will rise with approximately zero 0.1 degree. The opposite, of course, will happen when using the no button. In this case, I chose the duration time of the destination temperature of 30 seconds and just a trial of one trial. Let's just run the program and you can see how it works. Okay, it runs with 30 degrees per second up to 45 degrees. And let me just go ahead and press the yes button once, another time, and continuously. When I do it with the no button, it looks like this. No, and continuously. And then soon it will end, as I chose 30 seconds. I'm just saving the results for now. Let's go to the results section. When I take this file and export it to Excel, I'll just put it on my desktop for now. Ooh, excuse me. Let's open it up. And then we can see over here the timestamp of in milliseconds and the temperature. We can see the temperature rise, being standing out. And then you can see in a little while, because it's in milliseconds, you know. In a little while, you can see the changes that will happen as soon as I press the yes button. Okay, so this will allow you, for instance, to calculate the area under the curve or any other calculations that you want to do with this data based on milliseconds precision. Thanks for listening.